Transferring Capital One miles to Delta is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can transfer your Capital One miles to Delta. So in order to do that, you need to follow these instructions. The first thing that you have to do is you have to go to your, capitalone.com and sign in with your account. Now, after signing in, you simply have to select your credit card that have some miles in it. Now, after selecting that, there should be a button for redeem. You just have to click on that button. Now, after clicking on redeem, there should be an option for convert rewards. You just have to click on that. Now, after clicking on convert rewards, you just have to decide wherever you transfer the money, wherever you want to transfer the money. In this case, you have to select Delta Airlines. You just have to select that, and afterwards, there should be a button for transfer miles. Now, after that, you simply have to hit that button. After tapping on, transfer miles, your initial transfer with that partner, provide your airline or hotel loyalty member number. So you just have to, provide your Delta member number right there. After providing that, you simply have to input how much miles you want to transfer. After entering the quantity, you simply have to click on complete transfer to complete the transfer. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.